What's going on, guys? Still out here at the Sawgrass job. We're on now day 3. You didn't miss much yesterday. We're pretty much continuing what we did as far as tear out. As you can see, all the plants are now out. We had everything, including that really big holly, the really big ligustrum, and the whole bed full of jasmine that we pulled out. Super rooted in, super old, super hard to get out. So we had to use our bad boy right here to pull everything out. But now, as you can see, Mitchell's over here. He's grading it out so we get the bed nice and flat. Brought out all of our new plants that are going to be going into the bed. And then over here around this tree, there used to be some old, pretty much dead azaleas, so we're going to be refreshing that per the customer's request. Just getting some nice new foliage in there. And then right through here, actually there used to be some really big, old, ugly stepper stones that they used as a little walkway. We're actually going to be refreshing it, have some nice flagstone. So we're going to do the same thing that we're going to be doing on the side there with the metal edging. Just border it all out, have a nice little walkway so she can get into where she's going to have a little bench, or if she wanted to go down the side of the yard, there's going to be a nice tee of flagstone here that she can walk on. Yeah, and then over here we've got obviously some downspouts on the edge of the house that we do offer and do install drainage where we shoot it out to, in this sense, the waterway here. We didn't do that on this job, but it is an option for the future. We do have this nice long bed that's now all cleaned out of all the shrubbery. And over here we have a bit higher section of dirt. We're going to be leveling it all out. And it's actually going to be a nice walkway here full of gravel. We're going to have metal edging, keeping it all in, bordering it up so she has a nice thing to walk down, or it's a little prettier to look at than just the dirt you see here. So it's just something to make it look a little nicer. But yeah, so then the only other thing we've got going on is we're waiting for our subbed out irrigation, where they're gonna rerun all the lines so that we have irrigation for all the plants. So we're gonna move the plants from where we have them staged over there to the bed right here where John's standing. And then obviously through the side after it's all graded out, we're gonna have the plants set out and probably sink them within the next day or two. So we have them nice irrigated and they're able to stay watered.